Hey y'all, welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So I've been craving some chili, and tonight I'm going to make keto chili. And instead of beans, since I like beans in my chili, I'm going to give it a little extra chew with some pork stew meat. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brown the meat. I was bad and didn't take this out beforehand, so it's still frozen. I'm gonna cook the stew meat for a little bit before I put the ground meat in. While that's browning, you can go ahead and chop your veggies. Alright. Almost ready to start putting the other ingredients in. The first things I'm going to put in is the fresh produce, the bell pepper, the celery, and the onion. I'm not going to drain this. That's not enough water or grease to drain off, and if you're on keto you want that. Just let these veggies cook down just a little bit. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomato paste. The tomatoes with green chilies. And the tomato sauce. Just mix all that up. And you're also going to add a 32 ounce of beef broth. And then mix all this together. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons chili powder. One teaspoon ground cumin. That was just a little bit more. A teaspoon of oregano. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And a teaspoon of onion powder. You're going to add salt. And pepper. And if you want Cajun seasoning, you can. If not, you can use whatever you like. It's maybe about a teaspoon. And then you just let that cook. And I almost forgot, I put a couple of bay leaves into. I don't know how many of you have cats, but as you know, I have a lot of cats, and I found these at the store. They're compressed catnip. And my cats love them. You don't have to keep filling anything up. It's just there. They chew on it and lick it and rub on it, and they love them. I'm going to do some fresh grated cheese. Fresh grated cheese is so yummy. That should be enough. Just for a little bowl. Alrighty. So I'm going to take my cheese. You can also add onions, raw onions to the top of this, but I didn't chop any. But I do like sour cream. Sorry, I'm not getting in front of the camera. I'm in my pajamas. So let's give this a little try. It's very good. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this.